You are not lazy. You're just falling into these 3 traps. I wish someone told me earlier. I'm an average man who is struggling from different things on a path of self-improvement. Being average is okay if you aim for the better. Just this thought gave me some calmness. Just small actions making a big differences in life. So let me share mistakes that stops your productivity. But I decided to change that. If you want to change too, follow my journey. No clear focus or daily plan. Fix it with journaling. You wake up, scroll your phone, maybe thinking about doing something productive, but by the end of the day, you didn't complete anything. Sound familiar? That's because without clear focus, your energy gets pulled to every direction, and your brain just reacts instead of leading. The solution is simple, just start journaling. Not to be aesthetic, but to build a system in your brain. Here's 2 simple step method. Step 1, daily habit tracker. Write down 3 to 5 habits you want to do daily, like journaling, meditation, reading. Tick them off every night. That builds momentum and reminds your brain what matters. Monthly goal page. Take your big dream and break it down. What you need to do this month is to move 1% closer. Write it. Focus on 1 to 2 core goals and let everything else go. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need a clear one. You binge self-help videos, watch productive videos, and still feeling not so productive. You are consuming more than creating. Inspiration is fuel, but if you never drive a car, you are going nowhere. Here's the rule: after 20 minutes of consuming, spend 20 minutes of applying. Start building something. A habit, a journal, a skill, a video. That's how change happens. Aiming at the wrong things. Find your own mission. Working hard means nothing if you are climbing the wrong mountain. So many people chase their goals that aren't theirs. Careers, bodies, lifestyle they think they should want. Ask yourself, what excites me naturally? What would I do if I didn't care what other will thought? What do I want to give to this world? Write your values, that's your compass. Align your goals with that and you will stop forcing motivation. It will start pulling you forward. Neglecting energy and mindset. Your body powers your mind. You can't pour from an empty cup, yet we expect ourselves to perform like machines. While sleeping 4 hours, drinking caffeine, ignoring movement and ignoring stress. That leads to the brain fog, to low willpower, to burnout. Start simple. Sleep 7 to 8 hours a day, have a walk, drink water before coffee, meditate and try to catch focus. Treat your body like a teammate, because it is. You are not broken, you just distracted, misaligned and maybe a little bit overwhelmed like I was. But here's the truth, you don't need to be perfect, just intentional. Each small decision, each habit builds a momentum. Journaling gave me clarity. Cutting distractions gave me time. And chasing the right goals gave me the purpose. If you're stuck unproductive right now, just remember, you're one tiny step from the progress. I'm just a regular person who is choosing to grow. If you're on the same path, just let's walk together. Subscribe if you're ready to stop your survival and start building a future. Let's aim higher together. Have a good flight.